And again, keep the marks clear.
1.
As good as you can.
Breath coming up. Next one is the spell before the breath. Coming up. No.
Getting over.
I'm safe.
So breath. Easy. There's nothing on the charts. Charts coming up. Good. Back in range, spread out. Next breath we're dispelling after the breath. We're dispelling.
I'm back.
Breath coming up.
Getting projectile.
Dispelling after. Good. Next one is a tight one. We're dispelling before. Coming up already.
Getting
Dispelling
over.
before.
Getting short. Dispel me,
Breath now.
please.
Yeah, shit.
Hook is dead, I think.
Sark is dead. Press him. Keep going.
Getting Grim.
Getting control.
Now.
Okay, charge coming up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Dodge this shit. Okay. Next one is the spell after breath. Come on. Spread out. Spread out.
I'm back.
Suck in, right?
Breath come up in 5. Dispelling after the breath.
Getting tasked.
Getting roll.
I'm safe.
Stay spread. Next one is a tight one. We're dispelling before the breath. Coming soon. Get ready. Quick on your marks.
Getting us and
Getting
getting
test.
troll.
Now.
Soak this. Use your second pot. Got a foam then charge. There's nothing with the foam.
Getting myself.
Getting trap.
Dispel drift.
Charge coming up. Don't suck on this charge.
Come on.
Do it clean.
Use health pots.
Just don't die.
Nuke the boss now. Just nuke the boss.
You're not doing anything. Yeah, just nuke boss. Not doing anything. Just stay spread though. Stay spread.
I'm back.
Keep the pie up. Just suck this fucking nigger.
Festa nigger!
Fuck that nigga.
Fuck him!
Kill it!
Fuck Janice like him.
Nice.
Yes!
Niggas back Festa!
Woo!
Nice.
Woohoo!
Well, first Guarm.
So clean, guys. Holy shit.
That was nice, guys.
Good or what?
Hell yes.
Go long.